Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the daily chart, we're looking at an ABC zigzag toward the upside. We are currently in a wave C with an impulsive, of course, wave as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We would like, of course, to reach the 1-to-1 fib level taken from the start of the A to the end of the A based on the wave B, giving us at $700 for a target at 1-to-1 fib level. Now, as you can see, this impulse has double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finishing the orange scenario, as well the wave 3 in the white scenario. A WXY, a long correction where you have a zigzag for W, zigzag for X, and a triangle for your wave Y. Now, if you take a look, of course, closer after this correction with your triangle in your wave Y, you have, of course, 1, 2, and then 3, 4. Your wave 4 went very deep in validation of this impulse, meaning we are still looking toward the upside, but not with an impulse, not 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, but it might be, of course, the contrary scenario, which it can be a ending diagonal, where we would like to have, of course, 5 waves toward the upside, but overlapping with each other, meaning 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Now, your wave 3 obviously is very, very sharp, and we already hit in between the perfect levels. Of course, higher possibility even to get even higher. However, if we break the 1-to-1 fib level, therefore, we have to consider something else is unfolding. Something else like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 probably finished as internally here as a wave 1 and an impulse, and not considering this as a wave 4. However, still have very, very low possibility, and that because your wave 4 in time is very, very short with your wave 2 in time. Right? Your wave 2 is an A, a B, and a C, by the way, starting from this time to here, meaning, yeah, this is very, very low possibility to be a wave 4. Now, if we see higher prices breaking the 340, meaning the 1-to-1 fib level, meaning this leg became longer than this one. And this is an invalidation again for any contracting diagonal, meaning you still have only 2 options left. One is bearish, one is bullish. The bullish would be a very, very rare scenario where you can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as expanding diagonal, and you see how much volatile it can be, which is very, very rare case scenario. Okay, or it can be an A, a B, and a C, reaching an extended wave C toward the upside, meaning finishing 3 waves down, 3 waves up, then correction again, wave C toward the downside, and then again moving toward the upside one more time to finish this wave 5. So, higher possibility currently is, of course, to still get a little bit higher, preferably to stay in between those fib levels, because breaking the 1-to-1 fib level will give us less possibility for a bullish scenario, which is only the rare case, which is an expanding diagonal, which is not preferable in this case, right? So we would like to see a normal unfolding of this ending diagonal in a nice wave, reaching the 1-to-1 fib level probably, right? The 1-to-1 fib level, or even the minimum fib level requirement for a wave 5 at 442. In this case, let's take a look if this wave has finished or not. So moving to the 1-hour chart here, you can see exactly that this wave, or what is called wave 3 toward the upside, it looks very impulsive, right? It is very impulsive. We're gonna clean up a little bit here. We were looking for it. So it looks very impulsive. It should be a zigzag, because we have started as a zigzag for wave 1, zigzag for wave 2, zigzag for wave 3. This is how a contracting diagonal unfold when starting with a zigzag. Now, let's search for a zigzag in this wave. Your zigzag should be an impulse, right? 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, so this is a full impulse because your wave 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finishing a wave 3 and then 4 and a 5, of course, for your last wave. Your wave 3 is not the shortest, perfect. Your wave 1 is the shortest, so that is a very valid impulse toward the upside. Now, you got a very, very deep, sharp correction yesterday, and of course, we all know why. However, this might be an A, B, and a C toward the upside. However, if we take now the fib level taken from this wave A to the wave B, and we search for a zigzag wave C, you're gonna see that the target can reach the $400, right? And as we saw on the daily, right, on the daily, we saw that reaching over 340 is invalidation for contracting diagonal. Meaning if that happened, guys, I would say, okay, yeah, higher prices, $400, but it's done. Yeah, it's gonna move toward the downside massively to finish a bigger correction, of course, toward the downside. Sorry for the lag. Yeah, here we go. We have then finished, of course, 3 waves then as WXY, and then 3 waves up with this zigzag, and then, of course, moving toward the downside. So, of course, for me, I prefer to not have this. I prefer to finish normal bullish run for Solana, reaching perfectly the fib levels for a wave 5, and yeah, having a happy ending, I would say. So, yeah, this is the scenarios. Now, of course, I'm still expecting a little bit lower prices to make a very, very clear correction, because if you have A, B, and a C, now if we dive a little bit deeper, don't forget that your wave C still have the chance, right, to hit the perfect levels. Meaning, on the for our chart here, if this is your wave A, B a little bit deeper again, and then wave C, here we go, you are still inside the perfect fib level without hitting the 1-to-1 fib level, 330, and then of course finishing a wave 4 and then a wave 5 for higher prices again. That was it for Solana. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.